Are you looking the best benchtop thickness planer for smooth, precise wood finishing? This powerful tool is perfect for shaping hard or soft wood with ease. With a strong motor, sharp double-edged blades, and smooth operation, it delivers flawless results every time. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it's ideal for DIYers and pros alike. Upgrade your workshop and achieve professional quality finishes effortlessly. Number 6. CRAFTSMAN 15-amp Benchtop Planer. It's a power, precision, and performance for every woodworker. Looking to achieve perfectly smooth, professional quality finishes on your woodworking projects? The CRAFTSMAN 15-amp Benchtop Planer is built to deliver top-tier performance, whether you're shaping hardwood or refining softwood. Designed for both hobbyists and professionals, this planer combines raw power with smart engineering to make every pass precise, clean, and effortless. Key features: hard and soft wood material removal. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, this planer easily handles both hard and soft woods for consistent, even cuts. Maximum stock removal. The Poly V cutter head drive system ensures maximum stock removal while maintaining efficiency and accuracy. Smooth operation. Its 2-knife, quick-change solid steel cutter head, mounted on durable ball bearings, guarantees vibration-free performance and long-lasting smoothness. Long cutting life. With high carbon steel, double-edged, reversible knives, you get extended blade life and reduced maintenance costs. Cleaner workspace. The integrated vacuum port enables easy dust collection, keeping your work area clean and improving visibility while you work. Whether you're crafting furniture, trimming boards, or fine-tuning rough lumber, the CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Planer offers reliability, speed, and a professional finish every time. Its durable build and easy knife replacement system make it a workshop essential that saves both time and effort. Bring your woodworking projects to life with smoother surfaces, sharper cuts, and cleaner results, all powered by CRAFTSMAN's trusted performance. The next is Number 5. M1BLS Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer, a powerful woodworking tool. This electric wood thicknesser planer is a high-performance woodworking machine designed for precision and efficiency. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this 2000 watts tabletop planer ensures smooth and accurate wood finishing. Key features: powerful motor, equipped with a 2000 watts motor, delivering high efficiency for planing tasks. High-speed operation, with a no-load speed of 8,000 RPM, it provides quick and precise wood surface finishing. Large planing capacity, capable of planing widths up to 330 mm and heights of 160 mm, suitable for various woodworking applications. Adjustable planing depth, supports single planing depths of 1-3 mm, allowing customization based on project needs. Durable construction, built with an aluminum casting base, ensuring stability and long-lasting durability. Portable design, weighing 28 kilograms, it offers a balance of portability and robustness for workshop use. Specifications: model, M1BLS 3301, voltage, 220 volts, power, 2000 watts, planing width, 330 millimeters, planing height, 160 millimeters, base material, aluminum casting, certification, none. Product number, FCC 262. Origin, mainland China. The M1BLS 3301 electric wood thicknesser planer is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful, precise, and durable woodworking tool. With its high-speed motor, adjustable depth, and sturdy design, it is a valuable addition to any woodworking workshop. The next is Number 4. VEVOR 13-inch Benchtop Thickness Planer, precision and power for woodworking. This benchtop thickness planer is a high-performance woodworking tool designed for smooth and precise planing. With a powerful 1,800 watts motor, a 2-knife cutter head, and an extended work table, this planer is perfect for professionals and DIY woodworkers alike. Key features: high-quality 13 widened work table, supports boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, with adjustable 35-inch extensions for enhanced stability. Precision 2-knife cutter head, made of solid steel, the quick-change dual knife system ensures a smooth and consistent finish, with hardness rated at HRC 55 to 60 for durability. Reliable 1,800 watts motor. The 15A motor delivers up to 23,500 RPM, ensuring an ultra-smooth surface for any woodworking project. Built-in overload protection. Equipped with a 20A overcurrent protector, which automatically cuts off power if the current exceeds 20A, preventing overheating and damage. Efficient dust collection. Features a vacuum port for effective chip and dust removal, keeping your workspace clean and reducing maintenance efforts. The VEVOR 13-inch benchtop planer is designed for precision, efficiency, and durability. With its high-powered motor, extended work table, and safety features, it offers a professional-grade finish on every project. Whether you're refining rough lumber or preparing boards for fine woodworking, this planer provides outstanding performance with ease. The next is Number 3. XMSJ 13-inch 3-blade benchtop thickness planer. Precision and power. This benchtop thickness planer is a high-performance woodworking tool designed to transform rough wood into smooth, uniform boards. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, this planer generates up to 30,000 cuts per minute while maintaining an efficient 26 feet per minute feed rate. Key features: large planing capacity. Easily planes boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Powerful motor. The 15-amp motor ensures fast and precise material removal. 3 reversible SK5 blades. Includes 13-inch model BP133K blades for a superior finish. Adjustable cutting depth. Modify the depth from 0 to 1/8 inch per pass for precise control. Efficient dust collection. Features 2.5-inch and 4-inch dust ports to keep the workspace clean. Enhanced stability. Comes with height adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables to reduce snipe and provide better workpiece support. Portable and versatile, weighing 63 pounds with a 23 multiplied by 15-inch footprint. It can be easily moved using rubber grip handles or secured via pre-drilled base holes. The XMSJ 13-inch benchtop thickness planer is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals looking for precision, power, and durability. Whether mounted on a stand or used as a portable unit, it delivers smooth, accurate planing results, making it an excellent addition to any woodworking shop. The next is Number 2. LUXTER 13-inch electric wood thicknesser planer, a versatile woodworking machine. This electric wood thicknesser planer is a powerful and efficient tool designed for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a robust 2,000 watts motor, this machine ensures smooth, precise, and accurate planing for various wood surfaces. Whether you're working on furniture, flooring, or other woodworking projects, the LUXTER planer delivers excellent results. Key features: powerful 2,000 watts motor ensures high-performance cutting and planing for hardwood and softwood. Large planing capacity supports a 13-inch, 330mm planing width, making it ideal for wide boards. Smooth and accurate finishing provides a clean and even surface, reducing the need for additional sanding. Portable and multifunctional design, lightweight and easy to transport, making it suitable for both workshop and on-site jobs. Heavy-duty construction, designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Adjustable planing depth, customizable cutting depth to meet different woodworking needs. Specifications: brand name, LUXTER. Model number, M1B3301. Power, 2,000 watts. Planing width, 13 inches, 330mm. Type, bench planer. Function, multifunctional woodworking planer. The LUXTER M1B3301 electric wood thicknesser planer is an essential tool for woodworking enthusiasts looking for power, precision, and reliability. Its high-powered motor, large capacity, and durable design make it perfect for a variety of applications, ensuring professional quality results. Whether for home workshops or professional carpentry, this planer is a valuable investment for achieving smooth and uniform wood surfaces with ease. The next is Number 1. LZHZXY Multifunctional Woodworking Planer. The woodworking planer is a versatile, high-performance tool engineered to meet the demands of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Combining robust power with precision engineering, It streamlines woodworking tasks, delivering flawless results across diverse projects. Unmatched power and efficiency. At its core lies a formidable 1,800 watts motor, generating 10,000 RPM for effortless handling of dense hardwoods. The 1.5, a motor ensures consistent performance, even under heavy workloads. A dual-speed gearbox enhances adaptability, allowing users to toggle between 96 and 179 cuts per inch, ideal for optimizing feed speed based on wood type and desired finish. Precision and flexibility. Adjustability is central to its design. The planer features a precision cutting thickness indicator and depth stop, enabling quick, accurate adjustments for cuts ranging from 5 mm to 152 mm. Its expansive 330 mm planing width accommodates large boards, while the efficient feeding system, 4.3 meters 7 meters/min, ensures smooth, consistent material processing. Durability and user-centric design. Built for longevity, the tool's rugged construction guarantees reliability in demanding environments. Clear multilingual manuals, Chinese, English, simplify setup and operation, catering to global users. Versatile applications. Whether shaping softwood for delicate crafts or tackling hardwood for structural projects, the LZHZXY planer excels. Its blend of power, precision, and adaptability makes it indispensable for tasks like surface planing, edge jointing, and thicknessing. The LZHZXY multifunctional woodworking planer stands out as a top-tier choice for woodworkers prioritizing accuracy, power, and versatility. So this is the best option for you to buy.